friends, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 10 of the Advent Calendar unboxing. Woo, woo, woo. We made it, guys. It's double digits. Woo! In case you missed yesterday's unboxing, the Funko Pop that I received yesterday was this really cute Minnie Mouse. She's in her green sweater and she has a hat and of course her signature bow and matching cute red heels. So cute. All right, well, without further ado, let's open day 10 and see what we got. Here we go. Okay, I am going to guess Mickey Mouse. Again, guys, if you've been watching my channel, and watching my unboxings, I have not been successful in any guessings, but it's fun just to try. Oh my goodness, look at that. We have Chip. Oh my goodness, look how cute he is. Oh my goodness. Oh, he is adorable. He's just, he's got his little, he's got a nut in one hand and his another hand is outstretched. He is so stinking cute. Oh my gosh. Now the trick is, will he stand on his own? Oh, yes he does. I don't know, guys, if you can see that, but he does actually stand pretty well by himself. Oh, I'm so excited. Woo! So that's all the video today. Thank you so much for watching. Also, go Pittsburgh Penguins. Do I have any hockey fans out there? Woo woo! If so, tell me down in the comments what your favorite hockey team is. May you have a Silver Bell Saturday. I don't know what that means. Just made it up, but it sounded good. And I will see you guys tomorrow with a new video. Bye-bye, everybody. Oh, and I always forget to say this, but if you like this video, please give it a big like and subscribe. Share with family and friends. And I will see you soon in the new video. Bye-bye, everybody.